Hey, what's up, you guys? This is James, one half of the dynamic duo of the Real Nesters. I'm back with another product review. If you find this item interesting, you might want to get it. Make sure you check out the description. I will have the link below. Make sure you guys like and subscribe to the video. Hit that bell so you get all the post notifications so you'll know when me or Crystal upload a brand new unboxing or a brand new review. Now let's get into it. All right, you guys, I'm back again for another unboxing and review video. Getting a little cold over here in the Northeast, so I had to pick something up to keep me a little toasty. I picked up the 2-in-1 Space Radiant Heater. This thing has oscillation and heats the indoor with 1500 watts of electric heat. Let's get this baby unboxed, and I'm going to show you what's in it, and then I'm going to tell you about it. I don't have my grandpa knife with me, so I had to use a substitute. Just call this the baby knife. Because you call this the baby knife. This heater is nice. I had a little bitty heater in here, but that thing wasn't getting the job done. I had to go get something real nice, something that was easily adjustable with different modes on it, that was oscillating, and it was a little bit bigger. Okay, as you can see right inside, there's the heaters all in one piece. Not too much to this unboxing, as you can see. Let's get this baby up out of here. Yes, sir. There we go. That's what I'm talking about. That's what I'm talking about. This thing is about. It weighs about 4 pounds. It's 22 inches tall, 10 inches on the diameter. As you can, it has an anti-scalding net on the front, so that way if you have any kids or animals, if they touch it, they won't get burnt. It'll still be hot, but it won't get scalded just by the mere touch of it. Anti-scalding net on the front. It has different modes on it. You got the heat and temperature adjustable, which is the number 1 up top. Then you have mode A, which is 250 watts with no rotation. You can take it to a mode B, that's 1500 watts with no rotation. Front. This thing is very well put together, very nice setup. It has an iron ring that you put on, so they'll let you know that you're supposed to be this far away from the wall. You're supposed to have this a certain amount of distance from the wall, and this iron indicator, this iron ring, lets you know the exact distance that you're supposed to be away from the walls. I like that feature. Never seen that on any other model. And I'll show you how that goes on. That goes on right on the side right here. We just stick that in. Let me put the camera down so I can really get it in there. Of course, we have the instruction manual here that shows you all about it. Make sure you definitely read the instruction manual. I know you guys don't read a lot of instruction manual, but anything dealing with heaters and electrical devices, definitely read all the instructions before you begin. Hey, you guys, don't mind my stomach. I was chilling, had a little cup of coffee, but see how it goes? That's the distance you want to be. So you never want to get it any closer than that ring. That lets you know don't go that any closer than that toward any kind of wall, any other kind of paper or furniture, anything. That's how far you want to be away from it when you set it up. Let's do an initial plug-in of this thing. Woo, good gracious. It gets hot real fast. And then as you can see, I've got it on the regular heat mode first. Let's turn the lights out so you guys can see it a little better. Look at that. Oh yeah, this thing is heating up, and it heats up fast. I'm gonna see, can I zoom in? I'm gonna change the mode on it so you guys can see it. You can see it. It's actually rotating. You see it's oscillating, so you get the great heat dispersal around any room you put it in. And you can change the different speeds on it, and it's a very, very great heater to hit the whole room. It's day 4. All right, you guys. I've had this in my man cave for the past week, and it's amazing. It's a great heater. This thing heats up a room fast. This room is probably about 30 by 20, I guess, and it heats up this room super fast. Even the hallway outside the room is nice and cozy. Got my man cave straight, so I definitely would highly recommend this heater. If you definitely have a man cave, a garage, or a shed, anything you want, you definitely want to get this heater. Just as before, make sure you click the link in the description. It's a 1-year warranty with this thing. 1-year warranty, great A1 VIP customer support. Let me turn some lights on for you guys. I'm in my man cave. See my man cave, got the heater over there just read. So make sure you guys definitely click the link in the description. Pick up this heater. You won't be disappointed at all. By no means. It's safe. It's safe. It's fast, and it gets the job done. So see you guys on the next video. Peace.